Hey, so today I'm going to show how to fit our Apple Magic mouse skins. To get started, just make sure you've got a clean workspace and give the Magic Mouse just a good clean and a good wipe. Make sure it's free from dust and dirt and stuff. Time to get started. Just peel the skin from the backing paper. Normally the aesthetic pink skin wouldn't have the Apple logo cut out, but when I was making this for the purpose of this video I messed up and selected the wrong cut template. If the skin you're using has the Apple logo cut out, you can use that to help with alignment. If not, just start on the top or bottom corner and just pull towards the opposite side. It's fairly straightforward, but if you need to, you can lift up and readjust. When happy with the position of the skin, you can then start pressing down. Just start from the center, working towards the edges. There will be some wrinkles towards the edges and corners, but we don't need to worry about them at this point. As I cut the logo out by mistake on this skin, I decided just that I would put it back in, as normally it would just be one piece, it wouldn't have the Apple logo cut out. The skin may look bad right now with all the wrinkles in the wrap, but we're going to fix it using warm air. You can use a hairdryer or a heat gun for this step. Just warm up the skin where the wrinkles are with your heat gun or hairdryer. Just with the heat you can see the wrinkles start to relax and get a lot smaller. After warming up the skin a little bit with warm air, we can now start to press and wipe the wrinkles out while the skin's still flexible. Just start from the center and work towards the edges. Using heat to make the wrap more flexible makes it so much easier just to wipe those wrinkles out. You can repeat the heating and wiping out the wrinkles step as many times as you need. Sometimes it might be a little bit easier just to focus on just a corner at a time. When you've got the skin fully smoothed out over the Magic Mouse, you just want to continue applying pressure towards the edges and over the entire surface of the skin. This will just make sure that the skin is fully stuck down and it's not going to lift. All smoothed out. Now we can move on to the next part of the skin. to make things easier, I decided to remove the cutouts that weren't needed. You don't have to weed out the cutouts, but sometimes it can be a little bit easier removing them first. A pick can also be used, you don't have to use a blade. Just as before, once you've taken the skin off the backing paper, just align the skin with the magic mouse. As the bottom's got more cutouts, it's easier to just use the big slide rails or the charge port to align. Just like the other skin part, you just work from the center and work towards the edges. You may get some parts that want to wrinkle or don't stick down to the surface of the mouse, but as before, we can just use heat to fix this. Now that the skin's been warmed up, we can just work any wrinkles out. So I just had to warm up the corners a little bit more, just to get the really big wrinkles out and make it a little bit easier. Now that the skin's all smoothed out, we can just go around the edges and apply more pressure just to make sure everything's firmly stuck in place. Apply more pressure to the skin at the corners and around the cutouts, as that will just help it stay in place. have a quick check just to make sure you've not missed any wrinkles and the skin's fully stuck down. And if it is, then it's basically finished. Simple and easy way just to cover and change the colour of the Apple Magic Mouse. I hope this video helped you install your Apple Magic Mouse 2 skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see any other skin install videos, or if you'd like to see this in a different colour or a different style. Thanks for watching.